All right, so today we are working on lesson 9. So it's going to be kind of a repeat of yesterday's lesson, but a little more independent on your end. So you're going to be reading pages 42 to 45 and determining the gist. And then you're going to do a close read. So we'll go through that close read a little more together to identify a new factor that led to Jackie Robinson's success. So yesterday, I hope that you guys were able to fill in how the fans were a huge factor to his success. Today, you're going to see a little bit of a different factor. So review learning targets. I can explain how people or events led to Jackie Robinson's success using specific information in the text. All right, so you, on your own today, are going to read pages 42 to 45. So you're thinking, what is the text about? And then you're going to be reading for gists, okay, and any unfamiliar words or vocab. So what you're going to do now is you're going to pull up your work for today. Here are the pages. You have to do only 2 gists today, okay, because it's a smaller reading section. So you're going to do it for pages 42 and 43, and then 44 and 45. So right now I would pause the video, and I would go to your books. I would open to page 42. And then you're reading from, actually 42 doesn't have any words, so you get to start on 43. And you're going to do 43, 44 is crooked, I'm not sure why. And then 45 is just a little snippet. So it's a much shorter section today, which is why I think you can handle it independently. Okay? So pause, read that, go back, do the gists. Okay, now that you are back, hopefully you filled in your gists. We're going to look at the close read for this section today. So you can move down to that section in your document. And then let me pull up the slide. All right. So we're going to do another focus on what happened, describing the event, and then when did it happen, and how did this event affect Jackie's success? Okay. So the first thing, let's look at Jackie was named Outstanding Rookie of the Year. Okay, I would transfer that over here. Okay, when did this happen? So I want you to go back and look. All right, looking at 43, Jackie becomes Rookie of the Year. Let's see. Oh, I see it right here. And I see over here, it doesn't actually give me a date there. Look, but I see it over here in our section or in our caption. So 1947. I'm going to say in 1947 he received it. And then how do you think that affected his success? Well, let's look. If you think about how that might affect his success, others recognized him as a great ball player, and this award proved that he deserved to be in the major leagues. All right, so the next few you're going to do on your own. So you're going to do the fans organized Jackie Robinson Day at Ebbets Field. Okay, and then there's going to be 2 others. Jackie signed a contract for his autobiography, and the Jackie Robinson story was filmed. So I want you to put those in here. I want you to find out when it happened and how it made him successful. Things are a little goofy because we're doing it virtually. So yes, you do have access to the answers if you go back to the slide, but I want you to try and fill in the rest on your own. So pause it, fill those in, and then come back. Okay, so hopefully when you come back, this will be just a reassurance that you found all the correct information. So just check your work. Okay, so this happened in most of these happened in 47. There's also January 1950. And then just how this affects him. Basically getting recognition was the biggest thing. All right, so the next thing you'll do is you're going to identify new factors for success. So what was Jackie working towards, and what was the bigger goal others were working towards during this time? Everybody should know this at this point, which is to end segregation, okay? So again, you're going to come back to that focus statement, answering the question of what factors can contribute to an individual's success in a changing society. And you're going to look at a way to communicate the vision chart. Okay, so you're going to go to this chart here. Okay, so after you've done what factors you think led to it, you're going to look at this, a way to communicate the vision anchor chart. So what form of communication would have helped? So let's see, when I'm looking at that, I want your focus to be on his awards and recognition. I want you to think of several ways that he was recognized in this section. Okay? So I want you to fill in the rest of this chart. So what evidence showed that he had some recognition? And then just write the source, aka the page number. Okay? So you're going to fill this in for today. It is a lot of work today. So if you need some help, please let me know. And I will be here to help you guys. All right. Have a great weekend.